Open the phone app and dial *004#. This will instruct your mobile service provider to turn off any conditional call forwarding, preventing your voicemail from functioning. Another method is to turn off voicemail directly from the phone dialer app. This is applicable for carriers that support native visual voicemail, which is the case for the majority in the United States. Enter 62# and select Done Settings. Currently, choose Phone, choose Call Forwarding, Simple, and turn it on. After that, give your voicemail a call to see if there are any new messages. If these methods didn't work for you, your next solution is to call your carrier service. Simply tell them to cancel your voicemail service. Open the setting. Scroll down. And find Phone. And tap on it. Select Call Forwarding. And enable on it. While some phones allow you to deactivate voicemail manually, most systems are managed by your service provider. So, you'll likely need to contact them to disconnect voicemail from your device. And there you have it. If this information helped you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. Bye.